my own journey. As each and every one of you here know that recently my mom have had a fall. Okay, she is 96 years of age and she's got a fracture in her hip bone. Okay, at the age of 96. Okay, the only thing that we can think of as a daughter, I can think of, is an immediate assistant to save her life from a surgery, from the pain and agony that she would go through post-operation. And when she had a fall, I was totally lost because it was a second fall. And I had no clue on who to look up to because I wanted to avoid surgery. Being a spiritual person, I would not call myself a healer because I am not a healer. I am not a channel, but I am connected to so many of you guys who are the best of the best souls with different healing modalities. Yeah, I connected to many groups who are there with me on WhatsApp. I connected to a lot of people individually, and I was amazed when I found that one soul who could save her life. Today I am standing here at this hour, okay, with completely relaxed mind that she is at home and she is painless after a fracture. And that has been possible with only one person. I would like to pay my deepest and heartiest gratitude to Mr. Sharat Kumar from Delhi. Okay, he is into cosmic healing. And I connected to him and he told me, he guided me what to do, what not to do. It was in cosmic healing that he told me you don't have to go through surgery, just relax and everything will be fine. Since 1 week now, she is absolutely fine. Her fracture is almost, you can say, 70% healed. Fracture at 96 years of age is 70% healed. And this Saturday for a second X-ray, looking at the improvement that she is making by the day. Imagine a 96-year-old lady. I'm sure each one of us has got an elderly person in the house. 96-year-old lady with a hip bone fracture, sitting upright in 2 days. Sitting upright in 2 days, it's a miracle, man. She is painless, she sleeps painless, except for when I have to change her diaper for her. Rest, everything, she's fine. She's no pain, no complaints, no nothing. And it has all happened thanks to Mr. Sharat Kumar. I really pay my gratitude to him. And from Delhi, I have them as my guest here. I would like to call upon Rakhi Thakur, Payal Jain and Mr. Sharat Kumar to come on the stage to speak a few words. Others would call it a piece of jewelry. It is nothing but a VK. This is called a VK, and I will talk, Payal will explain more about the VK. But it is tremendously miraculous, and I pay hats off to Mr. Sharat Kumar, who is selflessly, continuously healing my mother at this point also. I really pay deepest gratitude to him. Yes, Payal.
Congratulations, Shobha.
Thank you so much.
At this age, giving her confidence to a person to heal her mother at this time is also very important and the most important part, right? Having confidence in his words, despite the healing powers he has, her confidence and trust on him is also very beautiful. Well, I would like to explain something about VK. Just a simple looking metallic bangle holding cosmic energies. Sharat sir? She is the youngest VK user we have. It is so safe, holding cosmic energies, 11 cosmic energies out of 16 in the whole universe. She is the youngest and she can use it. She can use it for anything you just say, because it is so safe for even a child to use it. This simple looking bangle is wearable for every one of you, is usable for every one of you. And is very easy to use in a simple language. You don't need to have any books, any lengthy chapters to learn. No cleaning, nothing at all is required in like any other healing modality.